Hi, I'm Kathleen Taylor, and I'm going to be showing the kids how to do a PowerPoint presentation. The first thing you do, you pull up PowerPoint, hit the blank presentation, and it popped up the first slide. You want to click to add title. Our title today is going to be Sloth. And in your next text box, you're going to put by Kathleen Taylor. Go back up to the text box and you can change your font, the size, by clicking on the font, and we're going to do Bauhaus 93. Then we're going to change the size and then click on your next text box, highlight it, go back, and we're going to hit Bauhaus 93 again. And the size will go a little bit smaller. When you're done with your title page, you're going to come up right up here to New Slide, click on it, and you're going to hit whichever one that you need to use. For today, I'm going to use Title and Content. And your click to add title would be the heading, Where Do Sloths Live? Highlight that and go back up to your fonts, and we'll do Bauhaus since I really like it, and then do a size. Click in your text box and then you'll type in where do they live. Sloths live in Central and South America. And you can continue to put more in there. We're going to highlight that. Change that to Arial Black and change that to whatever size that you need it. When you're done with that slide, you're going to come over here and get another one. And then you'll just keep going until you are done. When you are done with your slides, you'll come up here to Design. In Design, you're going to find all kinds of backgrounds. And since we're talking about sloths, we'll do green. And it will show you over here what each slide will be like. Also over here, you can pick whichever color you want. And you can design your own color by picking whichever one that you want. And then you'll be done with that. When you're done with all your designing and stuff, you go back to home and double check everything and then hit slideshow. This is where you can view your slideshow from the very beginning. And it shows. Down here at the bottom, you can hit the arrow buttons and it will show you your slides. And when you are done with all that, you're going to hit File, Save As, and wherever you want to put it in. I'll put it into Intro, Sloth, Open, Save, and then it's done. Thank you.